guys, welcome. Just a quick one regarding some training and when you're trying to promote your affiliate offer. So this is, of course, this is our Clickbank Marketing Secrets Facebook group that we're in. And if you are, I don't mind if you guys want to go ahead and promote something that's going to help people. But when you go ahead and start promoting a sort of a shitty affiliate offer and B, a Clickbank offer, there's no point in advertising a Clickbank offer to a Clickbank group, because why wouldn't they just go and buy it themselves off their own affiliate link? Why pay somebody else? You may as well, if it's a program that you do want, although you can't actually buy off your own link because that's against regulations, you can get your brother to buy it off your affiliate link. But why buy it off somebody else's affiliate link? So do me a favor and don't promote your Clickbank offers on this Clickbank group. That's not what it's for. If it's a product that is genuinely going to help somebody sell, then by all means do it that way. But I'm sorry, Pawan, I'm going to have to oust you on this one, pal. So what is there? There's some basic shitty photos here, and excuse me, and a couple of sort of blank words which have been copied from somewhere else, and a bit.ly link. If we just have a quick look at the photos, you'll see that nothing has really been sold except for this $17.72. So, okay, great. There's a commission. That's awesome. But that's all that's been sold. Looks like that's all that's been sold on this account. And then you've got some earnings here of yesterday's earnings of 112 and today's earnings of 156. So if you're going to lie about the amount of money you're earning, there's probably better ways to do it than this. But it's quite obvious there. It's certainly not via this Clickbank link. So again, he's sort of leading you up the garden path there. But so be it. Let's just have a look at this link and say, hey, what is this? All right, so it takes you through to abuyingmore.in. So it's an Indian-based affiliate website, it looks like. And the product, obviously, we're promoting here is the Empire, which is sort of like Empire Funnel Builders. And when you do get into the program, it basically puts sales funnels in order. And then when you send traffic through it, it just sells to multiple offers down your line. Very similar to the 12-minute affiliate. But this one you do have to pay. It's about $37 a month. But if you guys actually bother to read and go into it, when you do download this, you get some free training, and there's some free training here. It tells you exactly what that training's gonna tell you, and this is all for free. So by all means, if you want to check it out. Now, just touching on this, okay, so there's a bit of copy here, but again, it looks like it's just been copied and pasted. And something even worse, this link doesn't even work. I tried it. This link down here where it says, I will introduce you to free traffic, it takes you through to a best weight loss. This one, it takes you through to a best weight loss books link. So again, if you're going to bother to set this sort of stuff up, you need to get your links working in the correct way, and you need to test your websites. Now, this is an affiliate website. Fair enough, if there was one product or one niche of products like make money online, and that's what this product, this website was all about, that would be one thing, and it would pick up organic search from Google. This is not going to pick up jack shit, because you've got home and kitchen, electronics, appliances, and a whole bunch of random affiliate offers that make no sense with other offers that are on the site. So Google will get confused on that, and they won't send any traffic to it whatsoever. So again, keep it niche specific. Do one site per niche. Don't do 100 different niches all on one site. It just does not work. Believe me, I've tried it. In this book here, again, this is a free book that you download off. By being a member of this site, you're automatically allowed to use this, and it gives you step-by-step instructions how to set up a dedicated niche affiliate website. All you need to do is just follow the bouncing balls. And if you come across any problems with it, all you need to do is contact me and I'll help you out with it. So it's free. You can set up a dedicated website for the offer that you're doing. You don't need to put together sort of shitty sites like this, and let alone sites that go through to nothing. So these are other products on the thing, got nothing to do with the Make Money Online Empire affiliate system, and they're just Amazon links. Now, Amazon links will work if you get a hell of a lot of traffic, and I mean a hell of a lot of traffic. You are not going to pick up a hell of a lot of much traffic at all by having a site like this with no niche that Google can identify. Weight loss books and make money offers all on the one website is just not going to make any sense. The Facebook, these links here, these share links, yeah, great. I want to share this link. It takes you straight back to a home page. So the links don't even work. So this the credibility of this has just sort of gone down the toilet. I'm sorry to say. I'm trying to be constructive, but it annoys me when people spam their shitty links with all they want to do is try and make a quick buck. When it's not going to work for starters, it makes the group look shit, and it doesn't help anyone. If you're going to at least help somebody, if it is a product that you can make money on, make sure it helps whatever it is, somebody that's trying to sell on Clickbank. So as I said, so the product itself, all right, when you do finally get your way through to a product, it's the Empire. It's Fergal's an affiliate marketer who works from around the world. And when you do go into it, so you pay for $2 and then you pay $37 a month. So it's a reoccurring. Again, very similar to a 12-minute affiliate, but extremely similar to the free training that's already on offer by being a member of this group. So if you want to go ahead and buy it, by all means, that's up to you. But there is other training out there that will help. And as I said, if you wanted to do this sort of thing a bit better, you would have genuine photos letting people know what they can possibly earn and have some proof of it. And you would set up your own niche website as per the instructions given to you. You would link it through to the niche website. And by keeping it niche, Google will pick up on what you're trying to sell and they will send traffic to it accordingly. They won't send you traffic for home appliances and things like that. So if you do go through the trouble of setting up your very own dedicated website and send your traffic to that, you'll be giving that sort of authority. And from there, you would link to an opt-in page, of course, where you would opt in and give them something. You would probably have an ebook on how they can succeed. And then when they join your mailing list, you don't just send them to affiliate offers, you give them some value, and then you send them to your affiliate offer. So that's the way I want you guys to set it up. It's not hard to do. It takes a little bit of work in the beginning, but long run, this website is going to make money for you. You're not going to have to spam links all over the internet. It will build its own authority if you do it the right way and if you keep it within the niche. So that's something I want you guys to check out. If you have any questions, by all means, leave some comments below. Hit me up via the Facebook group, and I'll certainly help you build something like this very, very quickly and very, very cheaply. It doesn't cost much at all. To host a site like this is, a cup of coffee a month. So it's very, very cheap to set up this. And if you set one of these up for each of your niches, no matter what niche you're in, you can have multiple streams of income very, very easily. So I'm sorry to oust you like that, Pawan, but yeah, that's sort of stuff that we don't really want on this group. Now, in this group, we're certainly here to help each other, and we will help each other. If you have any questions, just reach out to us, any of us, and we'll help you out. Okay. So good luck with that, and hopefully you'll start building your site soon.